fix desktop frozen, can't click anything on the desktop. So if your desktop is frozen and if you can't click anything on your desktop, then you just need to simply press Ctrl, Shift and Escape and your task manager will be opened. Enlarge it. Here you need to simply find the folder or the application which is Windows Explorer. So just search for it. So once you find the Windows Explorer, you just need to simply right click on it and then go with End Task. Once you end the task of your Windows Explorer, you just need to simply go with Run New Task. And here you need to enter the task, which is explorer.exe, and go with OK. And once you do that, the taskbar will reappear again. And once it reappears, you'll be able to click on the icons. So that's it. That's how you can fix your desktop frozen. Can't click anything on your desktop. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.